better opportunities. So you'll be like Internshala hai, or I can see like multiple names on the chat, LinkedIn hai, to aap kyun? So that's what like these kind of questions were asked by multiple investors, and were able to get some good investors on board by answering their questions. So I would like to answer here. So the major problem is like, let's say when we talk about campus placements, we actually think that college is the best place to get a job, but the college, they only bring the kind of jobs which they are able to reach out to the companies. It means that they're holding you guys from a lot of opportunities available in the market. And that's what we saw. So the kind of problem we saw, that one of our intern, he was actually from Bikaner, and he traveled from Bikaner to Jaipur, 8 hours to 8 hours back, 16 hours total for just a TCS job. And we were like, yeah, TCS तो हर जगह जाती है, ये बंदा 16 घंटे क्यों travel कर रहा है, पागल हो गया क्या? That's where we realized first this problem, and we thought of solving it. We saw the complete placement process happening at IIT Bombay. We replicated into a software, started planting in every college. Today we have a presence of into more than 160 plus colleges. We thought of like normal colleges only need us, like let's say autonomous or state level colleges. But we saw like the first college we helped was IIT Bombay because of this COVID. So a lot of students there was losing jobs. So we came up and just giving back to alma mater, we started helping them. And we saw like companies from Singapore, from New Zealand, they were coming and hiring. And we were shocked, hey, we are just like a 1 month or 2 months old platform, and we're getting companies from Singapore and a couple of other places. So that was like the best moment when we started. And now like, yeah, we also have a presence in a couple of IIMs. So if anyone is planning to go there, I can connect you to the placement coordinator who can also tell you like the placements insights. So that's what we do. And yeah, talking about the journey, it has been amazing. So we started by winning a global entrepreneurship bootcamp at Indonesia by MIT Asia School of Business. We came back to India. We won a couple of competitions here, doing amazing journey, trying to like every day is focused more on how can we help students to get better opportunities. We were based out of Mumbai. Now we shifted to Bangalore. We have like a reach in Mumbai, Bangalore, couple of other cities. I feel like everyone is from Delhi. So we don't have a reach currently in Delhi, but we are trying to build there as well. So if anyone would like to help, would really sure and would like to be a part of it as well. And I can see like a couple of Internshala fans. So yeah, Internshala is also an amazing platform. So the difference between us and Internshala is, let's say Internshala is focused more on first year and second year students. And when you go in third year, then you become a smarter and you see like Internshala is trying to sell you courses. I'm not trying to say that's bad. That's also their marketing strategy. But we focus more on like, we reduce the shit. We focus only on jobs and better internships and opportunities. So that's what we care about, and we don't sell courses. Thanks. Anyone has any questions? Yeah, can go ahead. I guess I'm done. I don't think so. I would like to blabber a lot. So.
Yeah, we have Shagun and then next Rishabh. Shagun, you may go ahead.
Hey, Mr. Shivam, how are you?
I'm doing great here. Hi, Shagun.
Yeah. So I was saying that, can you tell me your challenges and setbacks that you faced during the journey?
It was a lot of challenges. First thing is, let's say these kind of problems are mostly never faced in IITs. So when we reached out to IITians for investments or for help, for mentorship, 90% of IITians never understood it, and only 10% who understood are with us. So that was, maybe I feel it as a challenge, because if you don't get support from your background, it's very tough. That's one thing. Second thing is, it was the most important part was that in colleges, I'm not saying something bad about it, because we closely work with colleges, and some of the colleges are like pretty amazing coordinators, and they support us a lot. But some colleges we saw, like we actually have the top colleges in Mumbai, Bangalore, a couple of other places. But I saw like the placement coordinators or the college, they want to control the placements. So some of the college, like one of the top known colleges in Mumbai, we were talking to them and we were like, hey, we will help you to get a lot of opportunities. And you actually have a platform where you can track all the students. But they were like, hey, we don't want our students to apply for opportunities. So isse zyada hum kuch bol hi nahi sakte. So we just like, okay, you don't want, then yeah, we can't do anything about it. So that was a major problem, that colleges placement coordinators are pretty old. So they don't want to take more, let's say, overload of work. So for them, till now, placements are not there, things are going well. So they don't want to take the load. That's where we are just trying to like facing more problem. Right now, third problem is like in terms of, let's say, reach. So we are a marketplace which is trying to solve supply and demand. So sometimes we get a lot of demand, and trying to solve supply becomes difficult. Sometimes we have a lot of supply, trying to solve demand is difficult. And that's what like I feel every marketplace challenges are. if you don't know what is a marketplace, like it's kind of a startup, which the product you're kind of build. So yeah, these things. I do hope I've answered your questions, Shagun.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, next we have Kanak.
Hi Shivam. My question for you is like, what do you think is the future of the job sector basically? Since everything is online, what changes have you seen in the placements that are taking place, and how difficult is it to get placed when you're fresh out of college?
So, sorry, Kanak, are you just talking about college placements or like overall job scenario?
Overall.
Oh, it's a very tough question because people can just like give you random assumptions, which maybe can be true, cannot be true. But I will like try to focus more on freshers and experience till 2 years. So how I see Kanak, so the major problem in India is like the kind of education we pursue is very different and the kind of job opportunities available is very different. And I see like students reaching out to me who did like BSc in chemistry and they want to be a digital marketer, or like let's say someone did mechanical engineering, wants to a BD, and they don't know how to go ahead and do about it. So I feel like here there would be a transition required, which we are trying to fulfill. So where students, like while they are in college, they can discover a career opportunity because currently they are not exposed to much opportunities. So they have to be like in upcoming years, like there would be a lot of startups or colleges, someone has to do this, and they have to give a wide range of opportunities available for students. They can choose for it and they can transition from their education into a field of their choice. So this is one aspect of college placements, talking about like 0 to 3 years bracket. So I feel, actually, I'm not kidding, but from my experience, I saw like a couple of freshers are like pretty amazing, but they don't have the right platform or the kind of reach or the way to how to reach out to recruiters. So I'll give you few examples. So I have like few of my friends from IIT Madras, and they were looking to hire candidates, and they were like, "Hey, we want minimum 1 year of experience." And I told them multiple times that freshers are way better. But when they came on the platform, they posted a job, like they got a lot of candidates on the platform. And then when they started recruiting freshers, they saw like, oh, couple of freshers like pretty amazing, better than experienced candidates. So what I'm trying to tell from here is number of years of your experience from now won't matter, but the kind of experiences you will get in 1 year would matter a lot. So that's what. And talking about job, you can just go on and on, and it's like a never-ending market. There are like multiple segments, multiple problems. So if you want anything in specific, would like to answer. I do hope I've answered your question. I guess.
Yeah. It's fine.
Thank you to all the founders. I guess we are done with the question. Or we will take the last question. Sakshi.
Hello.
Okay, so my question is like, as you said that most of the placement that you offer is overseas, right? So what do you?
No, Sakshi, you got it wrong. We don't offer overseas. So it's like few companies we also got from overseas when we started.
Okay, yeah. So it was around that only. So, yeah. Then my bad. Sorry.
So we have like couple of best startups recruiting from India, like which don't get access to campus placements. So yeah, we have like both kind of companies like across India. We are also seeing like people from like, let's say companies like Rakuten from Japan. So Japan companies are also reaching out to us, and they really love like Indian talents, especially from IITs and NITs and like engineering side. So that's what they're reaching out to us, and like there is a huge lag because of the language barrier. So that's what also we're trying to solve. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so there was one more if I can. So, it's just job that your startup revolves only just jobs, right? So are you planning to have for internship for school kids also?
Oh, so school kids, not sure, but we actually have started internships also for college students. We are also coming out with like innovative things like, let's say, life projects also. So where like, so because we saw like a couple of colleges, they were like more focused on life projects. So we're coming up with a new thing like internship and PPO, like which internships are giving PPO, some only internships, some like only life projects. And we have like, let's say a couple of IITs also recruiting as interns. So last month only, I guess, IIT Bombay was recruiting, they recruited 12 candidates from different departments. So yeah, you actually have a lot of opportunities.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Thank you, Shivam.
Hello.
Cool. So
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Gagan, you want to ask something?
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, I would
Just call me
like to
Shivam.
ask. Okay, sir. Sir, like you have connections with all IITs, IIMs, and many big clients. What are your plans for expanding your this site in non-metropolitan cities like small cities like we are having many Bihar, very regional areas promoting your apps. What are your plans for them?
Yeah, very good question, Gagan. Actually, we also have like a reach in, like, let's say the top college in Mumbai, like VJT IIT as well, plus IIT Bombay as well. Plus also we have also a reach of, let's say, a small college in Nashik. So one of my friend from IIT Bombay actually recruited a product manager from a very small college in Nashik, and it was like, I guess Nashik is a Tier 2 city. So that's what we did. But the major problem we are facing is like we are just a 5-member team. So it becomes very difficult to like cater everyone. And we get like daily, like a lot of students asking questions, they want mentorship sessions. So it becomes very difficult to handle. So if people are like ready and open to help, they're actually interested to expand and help students across. Because we have made the platform, the transactions are happening, it's happening in the top colleges right now. Because we don't have like, we're just a 5-member team. We are trying to raise a seed round right now with like some marquee investors. So maybe like we can reach out to Tier 2 city. That's one way. Second way is, let's say on the other hand side, where people like, we actually see students coming up and reaching out to me, hey Shivam, how can I help? And we just take them in and they help us and they get a reach to their college. So this Nashik college is talking about, there was a student who reached out to me and he was like, hey Shivam, I want our college to be onboarded and I want it to be a part of your network and to get opportunities. And that's where, like, I'm not sure how many students have been placed, but for sure, as I just knew one student from their college who has been placed as a product manager. And trust me, like in engineering college also, like still students, they don't know this product manager role and how to get it. And like someone like from a Tier 2 city is getting placed. So that's pretty amazing. So it's not me, it's just my team and the platform.